Control of high intraocular pressure combined with myopia. High intraocular pressure combined with myopia refers to the patient has both high intraocular pressure and myopia. Too much pressure inside the eye is called ocular hypertension, also called glaucoma. Myopia is characterized by distant objects appearing blurry, while near objects can be seen clearly. When the two conditions occur at the same time, the risk to eye health will be greatly increased, and we need to be vigilant. So how should it be controlled? MCT technology is the first choice for orthokeratology lenses to control the progression of myopia and slightly reduce intraocular pressure. Then you need to add long-term observation. Take fundus photography every year to understand fundus complications and optic nerve conditions. Secondly, visual field examinations should be done every year and intraocular pressure should be checked regularly. Finally, you should also pay attention to whether there is a family history, etc. For more precautions, please contact me and I will help you solve more eye problems.